Tom had one chance to become a hero. The score was tied. Only a few seconds remained. The ball came to Tom. Everyone expected him to score, but Tom made one mistake, and that mistake changed everything. Before we see what happened next, let's go back to the beginning of Tom's story.
Tom loved football more than anything else. Every day after school, he went to the football field near his home. While other children played games, Tom practiced football. He practiced passing, he practiced running, he practiced shooting. Sometimes, he stayed on the field until sunset. Tom had a big dream. He wanted to become the best player on his school football team. He imagined thousands of fans cheering for him. One evening, Coach David watched Tom practice. Coach David was impressed. Tom never gave up after making a mistake. The next day, the school team gathered for practice. Tom arrived early, as always. His best friend Ben was already there. Ben was cheerful and energetic. "Do you ever stop practicing?" Ben joked. Tom laughed. "Maybe one day," Tom replied. Suddenly, Coach David blew his whistle. All the players gathered around him. "I have important news," said the coach. The players became excited. "A city football tournament starts next month," Coach David announced. Tom's heart started beating faster. This was the opportunity he had been waiting for. Ben smiled at Tom. Tom smiled back. Their biggest challenge was about to begin.
The championship final was the biggest match of Tom's life. The stadium was full of cheering fans. The score was 1-1. Only a few minutes remained. Both teams wanted to win. Tom ran across the field and searched for an opportunity. Ben received the ball near midfield. He looked up and saw Tom running forward. Ben made a perfect pass. The ball rolled directly toward Tom. Now he was close to the goal. Only the goalkeeper stood in front of him. Then he kicked the ball. Tom could not forget the championship defeat. For many days, he thought about the missed goal. But Coach David continued to encourage him. Every great player makes mistakes. What matters is how you respond to them. Tom decided to train harder than ever before. Every afternoon, he practiced on the football field. He practiced passing, he practiced dribbling.